Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you something that I think it is really cool. So this company sent me this foldable solar panel for charging your devices on the go. It's a 36-watt solar panel, meaning that this one is going to give enough power to fast charge your devices. Like, for example, you can fast charge a tablet, you can fast charge a phone, you can slow charge a laptop, not fast charge a laptop, because again, this one is 36 watt. But instead of that, you have this fantastic on-the-go solar panel. You can see how compact this one is, and it comes with a really nice kind of like easy to close. And this one, you can just put it out. I'm just gonna do this right now, and you can see the size of it. So this is the actual size, and with the 36 watt, you can actually plug right here the USB-C cable, which, by the way, if you don't have a USB-C to USB-C, it comes with an adapter, so you can use this adapter to use USB-A to USB-C. So that is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna test it with my phone, and we're gonna go from there. But guys, this thing is fantastic. So you can see this one right here has a green light, meaning that it's gathering the power of the UV light, the power of the sun, like Superman. And then you have the cable right here. Remember, USB-A to USB-C, you can do it, or USB-C to USB-C. And then, just like this, we're gonna actually not turn off, but I'll turn off the screen. We're gonna set it up to charge right here. 3, 2, 1, charging right away. So you can see that this one turned on super fast. Let me actually show you this one more time. So one more time, we're gonna plug it in, and we are all set. It's charging right away. It's charging. You can see the battery icon over there charging with the power of the UV light. So that is fantastic. It says charging 75%, which I think it is super good to have. Again, remember, you can charge a tablet, you can charge a phone. So this one is really good for you to take it when you're going out camping, fishing, to the beach, or something like that, and just extend it and make sure that you have a really nice source of power at all times, with just the power of the sun, like Superman. I really like this device. I'm going to give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.